Hello friends, now I am going to dictate you a legal dictation. So, before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel for further updates and don't forget to like and share my video. So, let's start. Mr. Ravi Singh, learned senior counsel for the appellants, submitted that the purpose of section 195 is to bar private prosecution where the cause of justice is sought to be perverted, leaving it to the court itself to uphold its dignity and prestige. If a very restricted interpretation is given to section 195 CRPC, the protection afforded by the provision will be virtually reduced to a vanishing point, defeating the very object of the enactment. The provision does not completely bar the prosecution of a person who has committed an offense of the type described thereunder, but introduced a safeguard in the sense that he can be so prosecuted only on the complaint of the court where the document has been produced or given in evidence or of some other court to which that court is subordinate. Learned counsel has also submitted that being a penal provision giving a restricted meaning as held in the case of Kanaklata Supra would not be proper as a person accused of having committed an offense would be deprived of the protection given to him by the legislature. He has also submitted that on the conflicting findings being recorded by the civil or revenue court where the document has been produced or given in evidence and that recorded by the criminal court on the basis of private complaint and therefore an effort should be made to interpret the section in the manner which avoids such a possibility. Para Sri K. K. Saxena, learned counsel for the respondents, has submitted that the language of the section is clear and there being no ambiguity therein, the only possible manner in which it can be interpreted is that the complaint by a court would be necessary when the offense enumerated in the section are committed at a time when the document has already been produced or given in evidence in court. That is when it is the proceedings of the court. The provision has to be strictly construed as it creates a bar on the power of the court to take cognizance of an offense and any provision which outs the jurisdiction of the court which must be strictly construed and cannot be given an enlarged meaning since the provisions deprives a person who is a victim and is aggrieved by the offenses described under section 463 or punishable under section 471, 475 or 476 IPC to initiate a criminal prosecution by filing a complaint. His interest cannot be overlooked, and therefore the provision should not be given an enlarged meaning, but only a restricted meaning should be given. Full stop.